everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see what are the cards in store. Again, I'll just pick one card. First, let's see what the card is saying. Okay, book. I would say today is a day of knowledge. Maybe you'll be busy studying, gaining knowledge. It can also mean that there's some secret, but the secret is going to be revealed today. So that's a good thing, because if you see, the book is open, so something hidden will also come out. But whatever is hidden that is coming out today will only give you wisdom. It's not going to bring in sadness. So as I said, it's not going to bring in sadness. And whatever it is that this is bringing to you, whatever news or knowledge this is bringing to you, is going to bring in a lot of success, happiness, and more insight or wisdom to what you are lacking right now, on how to overcome the issue or achieve success. But let's still pull one more card. Let's see what is the other card which is coming with this beautiful card, the ring card. It was more like 25 and 26. It's as if it's coming in the sequence. One card came first and the other card came again. That also somewhere usually in a reading is very good if cards come in sequence, that we are in sync. It also indicates that we are in sync with our reading, and we just need to hang on there and understand it. Okay, so now here there's an Aladdin's lamp. Can you see? So maybe this Aladdin's lamp is saying that something magical is going to happen today. It's a day of magic. Usually the ring not only comes for engagement, the ring also comes that there are duties which you have to finish. There are certain obligations which you have not finished, you need to finish. So the Aladdin is saying today is a magical day, and just finish off all your pending work, finish off all the work which you have been putting for long, and overall a day of magic, a day of love, a day of happiness. So let's see what the rune is saying. Okay, that's a beautiful card. Ingwas. 1 second, I'll just show you the card. Can you see here the beautiful castle? Can you see the card? It actually means protection. Ingu is usually protection, but here it says confidence. Have a lot of confidence today, because with your confidence you are going to achieve everything. You will be able to bring in stability in your life today. A lot of strength you'll be having today. You'll feel really in bliss, because overall I feel a day is good today, with protection, stability, happiness, joy, and everything, with a small secret revealing. Let's see. Do let me know what secret is getting revealed, so that I will be happy that the cards are being in sync with you all. Let's see what the fortune cookie is telling. Enjoy the limelight. So today it's going to be good for you all. Start your day with the affirmation that I am successful, I am happy, I am blessed. I am successful, I am happy, I am blessed. Say this 11 times. Today, wear something in yellow. And today, if possible in the morning, stand under the sun, seek the blessings of the sun to give you energy in such a way that you spread energy and charm everywhere. And also today, when you're going out, feed birds something. Maybe put some sunflower seeds in your terrace, or just on your way, pick up something and leave something for the birds to come and eat, and see how beautiful and successful your day is going to be. Have a blessed and successful day. Thank you.